When people decide they want to create videos, they think the only type of video available is you on camera. And that's so far from the truth. There are so many kinds of videos you can create that can serve your business. Hi, I'm Cheryl Tan with CherylTanMedia.com. People come to me when they want some guidance on content strategy, video marketing, and consistency in creating videos. And actually, that's what we're doing here with this video Kickstart series. It's creating consistency for me and my accountability buddy to have content consistently being pushed out. So again, this is video Kickstart number 3. We've got 2 other videos and more to come. So please subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Okay, on to our topic for today, the types of videos you can create. And actually, I'm gonna make that six videos, and I'm writing down my notes so I have them here for the blog post I'm gonna create when this video comes out. And the first type is a professional video. This is a video that you will put on your website that is kind of your showcase piece. And this is something that you might want to hire out to do. For example, you can hire my accountability partner, Chris Lane at Chris Lane Video, to create a video like this for you, where you have professional lights, you have professional audio, professional equipment, professional everything. And it's really kind of out of your hands in terms of the production of this. So that's video type number 1. But unfortunately, one video is not going to make your business. If you want to be seen by the people you want to be seen by, it's going to take more than one video, and it's going to take consistent video for them to realize you're even there. So consistency is really important in creating videos, but it is not always feasible to have someone like Chris Lane come over and shoot your videos. So it's important to realize that there are other types of videos you can create on your own with your iPhone or your DSLR or whatever you have, laptop, to shoot the videos that you might want to produce. So these are 5 videos that you can create on your own. And the first one is a testimonial video. So this is where you reach out to a client or a customer, a past client or customer, and maybe you get on a Skype call or a Zoom call, or you even invite them over and turn the iPhone on to them so they can talk a little bit more about how you were able to help them. This testimonial video can be really powerful. It's something you can use in a sales letter. It can be something that you can even share out to other people who might want to hear more about the products and services that you offer. So that's type 1 of the videos you can create on your own. Type 2 would be an interview. And you can use Zoom. I use that for YouTube videos you see here. You can also use Skype for this, but it's really an opportunity for you to show your expertise in an interview setting, and somebody else is in the video with you. So people tend to like that a little bit. The third kind is a behind the scenes video, and this simply is you turning the camera on what is happening in your world. Maybe you're unpacking your latest book from its boxes. Maybe you're decorating a home. Maybe you are showing a house. Whatever it is you're doing for that day, take the camera off of you and turn it on to what is happening in your world and let people in on what it is you're doing. So tell them about what's happening in your working world. Gives them an idea to kind of step behind the curtain and gives them a little peek into your day. It's pretty exciting. So the next type is you on camera. So something like this, maybe vlog style. Maybe you have a place in your office where you can set up a little bit of lighting, inexpensive lighting. There's a lot of options that you can find online. Maybe you set up a tripod and you share your expertise on camera. The last type of video that you can share with your audience is what I like to call show me something. So you can actually have it be maybe a screen share, maybe it's a webinar, maybe it's a presentation where you show slides, where it's actually not you on camera, although it can be, but it can also be a way where you can share your expertise with your face not being visible. And you can just show somebody your screen, or you can show them a presentation you put together. But either way, they're learning something because you are showing them something that you know. All right, there you have it. The 6 types of videos that you can use in your video: professional, testimonial, interview, behind the scenes, you on camera, and a show me something type of video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. The video Kickstart continues with topic number 4. We'll see you in the next video.